अजय पाटिल फ्रॉम नासिक महाराष्ट्र। फूड इंडस्ट्री से मेरा कोई रिलेशन नहीं था। बेसिकली बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम इलेक्ट्रिकल कंसल्टेंट। बीइंग एसोसिएटेड विथ हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर, I have done 2 food projects for them 8 to 10 years back. One was Sinnar ice cream plant and other was North Soup plant in Sinnar only. जब आइसक्रीम प्लांट का काम किया उस टाइम से ऐसा एक इनर फील था कि वी शुड एंटर इनटू फूड इंडस्ट्री। दैट वाज गेटिंग कंसेप्चुअलाइज्ड फ्रॉम दैट टाइम एंड इट केम इनटू रियलिटी इन 1920. The same guidelines Sandeep sir has told. First survey, analysis, planning, all these things were done properly. The only thing gone wrong is machine selection and ordering. That was because I had to go abroad for 1.5 years due to some assignment. और मैंने वो सब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कंसल्टेंट को दे दी, which was the missing point in this entire process. When I came back here in February 20, I started working again on it, and immediately there was a lockdown. So after this second lockdown, I started reworking on this field, keeping my original field intact. So some of my friends from Ahmedabad very much insisted me to go here first. Since you are a technical person, you will get a lot of benefits and you can do much better than what you are thinking. तो मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिया। बहुत से आपसे भी जो इंटरेक्शन हुई व्हाट्सएप पे, आपको भी थोड़ा सा इरिटेटिंग हुआ रहेगा। बहुत सी क्वेरीज रेज की थी, लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद व्हाट आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर आई गॉट इट। बेसिकली आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन बेसिक पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, दैट वाज कैलकुलेशन, प्रोसेस एंड फॉर्मुलेशन, एंड लास्ट वाज क्वालिटी कंट्रोल. Setup I can do. I have contacts. I am in industrial field since last 28 years. So this was the gist of the training, which was beneficial for me, and I got it very properly, including hands-on training on machines. For a beginner like me who is not related with food industry at all, must join this and exploit as much as he can. फिर रेसिपी जाना या न जाने से nothing going to happen. I am here because I have a fixed set of goal, I have a fixed set of customer base, I have a fixed set of line of production, and that's why I am here. जो भी लेकिन जो इनिशिएट होना चाहिए, as संदीप सर डिस्कस मेनी टाइम्स, जो भी सेट ऑफ प्रोसेस है, you first survey the market, you set the product you want to manufacture and the product you want to cater to the field. आपको किस लेवल के कस्टमर को कैटर करना है. Like I have decided to go into premium section only. And fortunately my website is going online today. So I am working in that way. So for a beginner who is not at all related with food industry, nothing to be worried, but your approach and your patience, that is what it counts.
Thank you very much sir. Wish you all the best for your new venture. मैं चाहूँगा कि संदीप भाई आए और सबको सम्मानित करें एक बार जोरदार तालियों से।